Hey everyone, we are starting a new project today. We're just almost done with the setup and we're going to be turning all of these medium gray walls and lightening the space up, giving all of the trims and doors a nice fresh coat of paint. Already done a whole bunch of caulking, filling all the gaps throughout. We're going to be doing some extensive repairs and we'll see you when it's all done. Hey everyone, we just finished up the new project. I'll take you through a walkthrough of all the finished areas. If you're in the Durham region and you're looking for a free quote, click the link to use our easy-to-use online scheduler.